your mommy and the baby.
That she had in her apartment. And her exes on the days.
It's funny that babies are as big as the mom in like 2 weeks' time.
All through March of that year until the 28th.
You can tell the babies got their fuzzy feathers still.
And on the top drawer of the bureau was identification, pictures, personal items of a woman named
I was
Josephine Angelo.
thirsty.
They got her film records.
I'm so glad they know where the water's at.
In this case, it was Josephine Angelo, known as Angie.
Uh-oh, I guess it's dinner time. Here they all come. Right when I need to water. Well, I'm gonna go out the back door.
The neighbors in Angie's
Got
building said
water.
she had an abusive
They
ex-boyfriend
got
named
food.
Rob,
Look at that baby.
and Mo was the one that was trouble. Mo was the one
All right,
that was
guys.
beating her. Mo was the one that she had to...
Bon appetit. Oh, yeah, it's dinner time. Here they come. Okay, I gotta go water.